Good morning to all the students of class first year. Yesterday I explained you the poem The Scholar composed by Robert Southey, and I also sent you the explanation in written through the WhatsApp to write down. I hope that you would have written it. And today I am sending you the central idea of the poem, The Scholar, through your WhatsApp. And you have to write down it after understanding. I am telling you about the central idea. So in central idea, you have to describe the main subject matter of the poem, the qualities which are literary should be noted down, and the main points of the whole poem should be written in it in short. So I tell you central idea about the scholar. As I told you, the poet Robert Southey was great literary man. He was close friend to Wordsworth and Coleridge, who were also great poet and the critics in English literature. The poet also is very popular in his poetry writing. In the poem The Scholar, Robert Southey has told that the books are the greatest friend of human being. The books are the most faithful friends to man. He is sitting in his library and looks around. There are books, various kinds of books written by the greatest scholars of the past who are not alive at this time. But the poet is still enjoying by study the poems, and the great minds which wrote these poems or other literary forms in the books. The poet says that there are many kinds of inspirations found in the books. When he reads the books, he can delight the happy days of the past writers, and he can know about the sorrows of the authors who have written these great books. The books are very helpful to man, because when any person is in happy mood, he gets happiness by reading the books, and when the person is in sorrowful mood, when difficulties surround him and he is going to in depression, after reading the books written by the great writers, can get relief, can get solace, can get inspiration to struggle against the difficulties, and he gets the new energy after reading the books and can start again from the starting point with the heart and soul to get success. So the poet says that they are the most faithful friends to mankind, and they always are helpful to us, for the teachers, for the students, and for the other readers in English literature. The poet has described that by the study the books, he has seen various kinds of good qualities of the past writers and their vices also, or bad qualities also. He praises the good qualities of the authors, but he condemns the bad qualities of theirs. and also suggest the readers that they should also follow adopt the good qualities from the books. They should read only the good books, the great literary books written by the great writers. And he says that when he is in sorrowful mood, he gets freshness and starts to do the job with great delightedly and with great energy. The last desire of the poet is that he wants also to write the great books in his life, so that after his death he may be remembered by the readers, by the literary men who are very fond of reading the books, till the books would be learnt or studied by the readers. The name of the poet Robert Southey also will be remembered. So he decides to write the great books and to be immortal, because literature is immortal, and the person who gets placed in the literature also become immortal. Literature is immortal, and it immortalizes the people who get placed in the pages of the history or in the pages of the English literature. Thank you very much. Now I am sending you the central idea in written paper through the WhatsApp. So see your WhatsApp, take out your pen, open your copy, and just start to just now and complete the work. The homework you have also to do. I have given homework. The short story. In short story also you have to write down the first question answers of the first lesson and short story. And you have to learn the verb forms also, which I got them written. So verb forms are also very necessary to be learned. So learn them and do written work and learning work daily. You should remember it and always get successive way. Thank you very much.